Fix that spare tire side though. Down by the collar, that's a little bit of turbo action. Ooh, shoot. We can still stay out here. We'll get into some action. Where am I gonna go up here? Y'all wanna do downtown? Nah, I ain't gonna follow old girl. I'll go straight for a block, then I'll bust it right. What? I stopped. Huh? Ooh. Young burning legs, boy. Shit is on fire. You don't see too many of them old Rangers. I like the box Rangers. Like the boxy ones look like the Bronco 2s. I even like the Bronco 2. I know a lot of y'all don't be liking the Bronco 2s, but let me find a clean Bronco 2. It's a wrap for y'all. Throw a 5.0 in it. No lift kit. We ain't taking that off-roading. Put some bags on it. You can hate me now. Don't let me get some money, some real money. Coyote swap that bitch. Or really make y'all mad, LS swap it. 2J swap, you never know. Come on, Squirrely. Get it, big dog. Where I want to cross that up here. Ooh, my man got caught slipping. Y'all crossing there? Cool, cool. Let's see where I'm gonna cross it. Right here. Yeah. Your boy's a menace. Oh. Oh, must be something going on down here. Let's cross. I'm awesome. You like that balance, didn't y'all? Yeah. Your boy all right. Yeah, I might have to bring the Cedric out. Whoop, whoop. My man's trying to have me as a victim. Yeah, I'm a menace. Sorry about that, y'all. Let's hop over. Get the safety rounds. I'm gonna get out of this busy action here, my butt. I'm not supposed to be up here, but right now, probably the safest spot. Trying to take your boy out. I'll make it right up here and get busy. Get my butt off the sidewalk and get to the street so I can tear it up. All right. Everything's a rush. Listen to some Ab Soul right now, y'all. I think it's a rush. If y'all heard of it. It's a good joint. A rush. He's in a rush. Let's see what they up to. They in a state of confusion up here. Yeah. Something going on with weird hats. Who knows? I don't care. I came here to ride. There you go, a bike lane for us. Short people, short people. Probably has something to do with Oktoberfest. I don't know because I don't go out to that BS. Sorry if y'all Oktoberfest fans. That's cool, but I don't rock with that. Nothing but alcohol and bratwurst. I'm cool. I don't even drink. People getting drunk, ignorant, fights break out. Not my type of energy. I'm trying to make money, be peaceful, good vibes, and be alright. Only preach self-defense, none of that extra stuff. If y'all out here being aggressive and doing whatever it is, man, karma finds y'all. Be easy. So just be cool, man. Let's see what I'm gonna do up here. I'm gonna cut across so I don't bother them. I'll pop out and scare them. Let's do that. Gotta try to beat them. Oh no, I'm gonna have to cross. Okay, they got some other stuff going on, but I'm built for that. Let's see if I can squeeze. Yep, what we do is just carry that bad boy over. Scoot across this rock on thick slicks. Not the best thing to do, but how you doing? All right, shorties. I don't know. Not sure I'll be able to get everything I want to show y'all across.
Well, I know, but you can like.
I might cut across and come back. Yeah, we do that. Still got to go by the college though. That's a zoomy route. All right. And I'll cut back. Cut this way. Make sure I don't get hit. What are you doing? See what's up. Might have been a terrible idea to come out. A lot of extra shit cuts down when you got a GoPro. Let's see what we got up here. Exactly. Fellow bike riders in the way. Come on now, pay attention. We'll go up to the. This is not a good area to drive around in this area. Or ride around this area. If I do take the Mustang out, I'll probably go to like, I don't know, somewhere outside, probably like, I'm not gonna probably not drive to Eau Claire, but La Crescent might be in on the menu. Going? Yeah, it's gonna be a tight ride up here. I may jump down in the bike section, but on this road, that's not the smartest decision. Because most of these people be on their cell phones, because most of them college age. Smell some weed back there. Strong. If you could have went, but you was on your phone. My commentary be extra. Woo. See, I still might get the University of the Cross View. I might take a longer trip and go go around since I am grooving right now. That's my man, Mrs. Baskets. It's a double rim, so I don't know. I ain't complaining saying double rims is trash, but they're a pain. They are unforgiving on the bounce. Got some Freddie Gibbs on right now. I think this is practice. If you know it, just go ahead and vibe with me. I didn't, so I'm taking this position. Woo! I'm moving right now, y'all. Come on, pull that out. Go on, pull out. Good, good, good. Boom. Oktoberfest. Can't wait to be in Vegas, man. No Oktoberfest. Just normal strip traffic. Outside the city, regular city traffic. She on her phone, you seen that? Texting and driving, boy. If I'm a friend in there, I'm like, bruh, you don't care about my life, do you? Poor little nappy head boy, you texting, girl. Tell me your life ain't worth it. You could at least painted it, bro, after you bought it from the police auction. Yuck. Or at least have dual exhaust and like a built 4.6 in it or something. Ew. Smell like sewage. I should go to the Myrick Park, but I don't feel like hitting that trail right now. Because that trail usually dumps you off like down by Menards. Oh, the Bronco? Oh shoot, with the drop on it? All right, y'all, that Bronco kind of sexy. Hang on. That Bronco, all right. These oh hell yeah. Not that one. The first one. With a nice lip on it. You got it, bro. Shoot it. Ain't trying to say yeah, drive, but sometimes you gotta take those opportunities and roll it. I felt bad yesterday because I didn't see this man's motorcycle headlights. I was pulling to the Dairy Queen drive-through to get something I'm not supposed to because I'm lactose. But when I turned in, he's probably about 75 feet back. But I still felt bad because I didn't want to give him the bubble guts knowing that I pulled in like that. I try to be mindful of everything around me. And I seen him, I thought he was, my depth perception told me he was farther back, but he passed me about 6 seconds later and I was like, dang. I hate doing that. So make sure you look out for bike riders. If whoever that was, I'll watch these videos, my bad, bro. I doubt you will, but I'll put that energy out there. It was my bad. Next time, it wasn't that much of a hurry to get in there. I could just wait till he passed. So for me, I don't have to go anywhere that quick. If I'm late, then I'm late. I'm not gonna rush my position because I'm late. That's on me. Can't blame that on nobody driving, no traffic. You gotta have self accountability. Woo! Try to get it out there. I inhaled something that sounds funky back there. Might have been a dead animal back there. Rigor mortis kicked in on him. Funky. Let's see what I do. Ooh, I need one, yeah. Need a bike rack on the Cedric. Oh, goodness. Is that track? Nope, it's not track. Oh. Got a little fatty stance in the back, thought it was. All right. So we've seen this trail before. We'll see what I can do to spice it up. Oh, that bump. Tesla gang. Silent killer. Even if 3 be walking like muscle cars with a lot of money. I think that thing only has 2 motors, though, if I'm not mistaken, right? Or they all-wheel drive. I don't know. I've never looked up the specs on a Model 3. Ooh, dang. I ain't never seen so many people push off on that one. What they selling out here? And I forgot, once October kick in, they love that. Plus they've been cooped up because it was the Oktoberfest in 2020, so they just looking for escape. I'm listening to some L's out right now too. No, actually it's it might be whatever the group Jackson. Forgot the name of it right now. How bad I was out. And the producer that was on there with you. I forgot the name. Jericho Jackson, that's it. I came back, redeemed myself, baby. Now I got These Are the Days of Our Lives by Bone popping right now. Ooh, shoot. Am I running out of juice? Nah, the wind just kind of held me back. And I was kind of wondering what this light would do up here. I kind of hate stop moving. I hate stop moving my feet and my legs and stuff when I'm on rides. Almost like when you hate to be taken out of the game for basketball, but you got a rhythm and your legs are warm. She looked like I stole a puppy or some shit as a kid. You good, shawty? Real fast. Okay, here we go. I'm about to pour singing incoming. Only time with the lie. These are the days of our lives.